Hello, lovely people. I haven't been here for quite a while. I do apologise. I've done another set on myself the other day using the amazing Slush Fairy from CJP. As you know, I always use CJP stuff. So this set I've kind of left in, you just see me then using my dehydrator prep. But this isn't CJP primer, I lie. This is Young Nails primer, which was about 23 quid a bottle from eBay, so it's not cheap, but I have to say there's no lifting with it or anything. So I've done all the prep on my nails. I just use cheap tips from eBay, rightly or wrongly, but they've always done me okay, and they're just natural ones. So I've put all those on, done all the prep, and then I'm just going in with the Slush Fairy. Even though Slush Fairy is a core powder and you can file it, I kind of don't do that, and the people who watch my videos will know that I don't do that. So I kind of use it sparingly because it's so beautiful and it's so lovely. I don't want to use it all, so I'm just going to put a thin layer, and then I will cap all the nails in crystal glass later on, which is where I'm going to get my structure and my strength from. So this is a very, 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 very simple set. I saw them somewhere, I'm not quite sure where they were just plain pink with a tiny little bit of random gold leaf on. Now this gold leaf is from the amazing Sonia Williams, and it's from her website, and I think it's copper gold leaf, and it is beautiful. Tip though, get your gold leaf out first and lay it out on your workstation, because if you try and do it at the time, oh, it's so fiddly and it blows and goes everywhere. So just be mindful of that when you're using it. You'll see in a minute it is everywhere. So I'll just let you watch it. It's very, very plain, very basic, very simple, but they look so effective afterwards. I mean, obviously I'm going to be turning my hands to see what I'm doing, so I might go out of shot a few times, so I do apologise for that. I've tried to edit it as best as I can. And I've left a little bit of filing in for you today as well, which I don't normally do, but because it was such a simple set and they were so quick to do, I just thought, you know what, I'll just leave a bit of filing in, and then obviously we've got the best bit at the end with the top coat, and then just a couple of still pictures. So I hope you enjoy it. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, don't if you don't, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye 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 bye.